Let's find out. Have you ever wondered if a machine could think? Well, that is the big idea behind artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Think of it like this. We humans learn from experience. We see a cat, we learn it says meow. We touch a hot stove, we learn not to do that again. AI is when we teach computers to do something similar. We give them lots and lots of information like pictures, words, and numbers. The computers use this information to learn patterns and make decisions. It's like building a brain, but instead of using cells, we use computer code. Isn't that neat? Now, don't imagine a robot walking down the street just yet. AI is not always a walking, talking machine like in the movies. Most of the time, it's just a smart program running inside your phone or computer. The goal is to make computers do tasks that usually need human intelligence. This includes things like understanding what we say, recognizing faces in photos, or even helping doctors find diseases. It is a tool, a very powerful tool, that helps us solve problems and understand our world in amazing new ways. Science. The intelligence in AI comes from its ability to learn and get better over time. Imagine you are teaching a computer to know the difference between a dog and a cat. At first you show it thousands of pictures of dogs and thousands of pictures of cats. You tell it, this is a dog and this is a cat. After seeing so many examples, the AI starts to see the patterns on its own. It learns that cats often have pointy ears and whiskers, while dogs come in many different shapes but might have floppy ears. So when you show it a new picture it has never seen before, it can make a really good guess. This process of learning is what makes AI so special. It's not just following a simple set of instructions like a regular computer program. A regular program might say, if you see a pointy ear, say it's a cat. But what about cats with folded ears? An AI is more flexible. It looks at the whole picture, the eyes, the nose, the fur, the shape, and makes a decision based on everything it has learned. It's about recognizing complex patterns, which is a huge step forward for technology and for all of us. Consider the possibilities. Yes, really. You might be surprised to hear this, but you probably use AI every single day. Think about when you watch videos online. Have you ever noticed how the website suggests another video you might like? That's AI at work. It looks at what you have watched before and finds other videos that are similar. It learns your tastes and tries to show you more things you will enjoy. It's like having a personal movie expert who knows exactly what you want to see next. It's not magic, it's the power of data and smart computer programs working together. Let's think about another example. When you use a map on your phone to get directions, that is also AI. It does more than just show you a road. It looks at the traffic right now, it considers road closures, it calculates the fastest way for you to get to your destination based on real-time information. It can even predict how long your trip will take. This amazing tool uses AI to sort through huge amounts of data instantly, helping you avoid traffic jams and get where you are going on time. It is a fantastic example of science making our lives easier. Have you ever talked to your phone or a smart speaker in your house, and when you say, "Hey, what's the weather today?" and it answers you, that is AI in action. First, it has to understand your spoken words, which is a very complex task. Then it has to figure out what you are asking for, in this case, the weather forecast. Finally, it finds the information and speaks the answer back to you in a human-like voice. This whole process happens in just a few seconds, all thanks to powerful AI systems designed to understand and respond to human language. Even simple things like the spam filter in your email use AI. How does your email know which messages are junk and which ones are important? It learns. It looks at millions of spam messages and learns to recognize the signs like weird links or offers that are too good to be true. So it automatically moves those messages out of your main inbox to keep you safe. From your entertainment to your communication to your travel, AI is a quiet, helpful partner working behind the scenes to make your day run a little bit smoother. Getting started with AI is easier than you think. You don't need to be a computer scientist. A great place to begin is with AI writing assistants or chatbots. These are programs you can talk to by typing questions. You can ask one to help you write an email, explain a difficult topic in simple words, or even give you ideas for a birthday party. Think of it as a brainstorming partner that is available 24/7. Trying one of these tools is a fun, hands-on way to see what AI can do and how it thinks when it responds to your requests. It's an experiment you can do right from your chair. Another fun way to explore AI is through image generators. These are tools where you can type a description and the AI will create a brand new picture for you. You could type an astronaut riding a bicycle on the moon and the AI will create that image from scratch. This is a wonderful way to unleash your creativity and see how AI can interpret your words and turn them into art. You can play with different styles, from realistic photos to cartoons. It shows you how AI can handle creative tasks, not just logical ones. What will you create? If you want to use AI for learning, there are many educational apps that can help. Some language learning apps use AI to listen to your pronunciation and give you feedback. They can create personalized lesson plans based on what you already know and what you need to practice more. This is like having a personal tutor who adapts to your learning speed. It makes learning a new skill more interactive and effective. This is a prime example of using technology to expand our own minds and abilities. The world is at your fingertips. For daily tasks, AI can also be a big help. There are AI-powered apps that can help you organize your schedule, create a shopping list from a photo of your empty fridge, or even identify a plant or a bird from a picture you take. The key is to start small. Pick one area where you think a little help would be nice, like writing or planning, and find a simple AI tool to try. Don't be afraid to experiment and click around. The best way to learn about AI is to use it and see for yourself how it can be a helpful tool in your life. As we explore this amazing world of AI, it is very, very important to be smart and safe. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You need to know the rules of the road to avoid accidents. One of the most important rules with AI is to always check the facts. Sometimes an AI can make mistakes or present information that is not completely accurate. It is learning after all. So if you use an AI to research a topic for school or work, always double-check the information with reliable sources like trusted websites, books, or experts. Be a scientist, always question and verify. Another key safety tip is to protect your personal information. When you use an AI tool, be careful about what you share. Avoid entering sensitive details like your home address, your passwords, or your bank account information unless you are absolutely sure the service is secure and you know how your data will be used. Think before you type. It's like not shouting your secrets in a crowded room. Your privacy is valuable, so make sure you are in control of who gets to see your personal data. A smart user is a safe user. It is also wise to understand that AI can have biases. Because AI learns from information created by humans, it can sometimes pick up human biases. For example, if an AI is only shown pictures of doctors who are men, it might have trouble recognizing that women can be doctors too. It is important to be aware of this and to think critically about the results the AI gives you. Always ask yourself, is this fair? Is this showing the whole picture? By being mindful, we can help encourage the development of AI that is more fair and equitable for everyone. Finally, remember that AI is a tool to help you, not to replace your own thinking. The goal is not to have AI do everything for us. The goal is to use AI to become more creative, more efficient, and more knowledgeable ourselves. So embrace the opportunity to learn alongside these new technologies. Don't be afraid of what's new. Be curious. Be adventurous. The future is a collaboration between human intelligence and artificial intelligence, and by learning how to work together, we can solve some of the world's biggest challenges. So go out there, explore, and change the world.